Check it out, people. Mrs. Luch got us some really bitchin' rainbow flavored filament for our 3D printer. And we're going to try and make something really neat for Mrs. Luch. So why don't you come and check it out with us? Check it out, people. Right on. All right, guys. Now that it's done, let's pry this thing off and see what we got, huh? And check that out, people. It's the 3Y skull. See no evil, hear no evil, and well, eat no evil. And check it out. If you can see, it's in like color changing kind of stuff. It's a different color up here than it is down here. Well, the farther along I get, the more you'll see. Because as you can tell, there's a lot of colors on that roll. So people, stay tuned for more neat stuff like this and other stuff that you'll not see Dorito ever make with his 3D printer. So, rock on!